What do you expect from Indonesia? This reaction I got a lot. What? You go to Indonesia? This is just a small country. Like, they underestimate Indonesia a lot.
Bule Barbie atau Daria Gartman, seorang influencer asal Jerman yang dikenal karena kemampuannya berbicara bahasa Sunda dan menetap di Bandung, merasa sakit hati ketika orang-orang menghina Indonesia sebagai negara kecil. Itu dia ungkapkan saat wawancara eksklusif bersama seorang YouTuber luar bernama Max Chernov. Bule Barbie membagikan kisah saat dia pertama kali ke Indonesia dan ingin menetap di Indonesia. Teman-temannya kaget. Kenapa mau tinggal di Indonesia? Apa yang diharapkan di Indonesia? Negara itu kecil. Bule Barbie pun kesal dan tidak terima. Itu wajar, karena orang-orang di luar negeri hanya mengetahui Indonesia seluas Bali. Ya, pada umumnya mereka mengenal dan mengetahui Indonesia hanya Bali. Namun dia menerangkan, Indonesia itu negara yang luas dan besar. Ada kota-kota menarik seperti Lombok, Jogja, Bandung, dan kota lainnya.
It makes me sad because they think like Indonesia is a small country, it's not very popular, and they don't know anything like about Indonesia except Bali. Also, when I told my friends that I'm moving to Bandung, not Bali, they were like, Bandung? What is Bandung? Like, do you really think in Bandung you can be like, what do you expect from Indonesia? This reaction I got a lot. Also, like some old friends, what? You go to Indonesia? This is just a small country. Like, they underestimate Indonesia a lot. They just think about Bali, but I think Indonesia is such a huge, big country, and there are many good places, like not only Bali, but there are also like Lombok, so many good places like Jogja. I was also visiting Jogja, and they're all beautiful.
Have you been to Asia before moving to Indonesia?
Baginya, Indonesia adalah rumah kedua setelah Jerman. Di Asia, dia memilih Indonesia untuk menetap. Baginya, Indonesia cukup toleran bagi pendatang turis. Orang Indonesia itu ramah baik dan gampang senyum. Baginya kemanapun kita pergi, tentu kita harus menyesuaikan, menghargai culture suatu bangsa termasuk Indonesia.
Aku sampai sekarang belum pintar pakai kerudung, jadi mari kita coba ya. Siapa nih? Siapa ini? Ini Bule Barbie bukan? Ini Asep dari Garut. Masya Allah, tabarakallah, gimana sudah cantik nggak? Sekarang kita akan on the way untuk borong takjil.
Be respectful, have tolerant, like being tolerant, and yeah, that's it. And people will accept you like the way you are.
Turis dan orang asing di Indonesia juga mengatakan kalau Indonesia itu aman dan ramah untuk turis asing yang datang ke Indonesia.
Actually, Indonesia is a very open country, very open-minded, welcoming and tolerant. Not only when it comes to religion. They are also open to tourists, to foreigners. This is just in their blood, this is their mentality. And I traveled Indonesia many times. I worked in Indonesia for over 4 years and I never experienced any fighting or any political clashes, any terrorist attacks whatsoever. I'm not saying there are not issues going on inside this country. For sure there are some political things, but this is more between the Indonesians, and they also have their issues, they have their problems, they have their political agendas. But you as a foreigner, when you travel there or even date women or are in a relationship with an Indonesian woman, it's no big deal.